So a couple years ago on my Pontiac G6, I had the motor to start knocking. Got it replaced with a used one, and it's had this Misfire ever since I got the motor. Never could find out what it was. So by the time I really started back messing with it, I had already got the Camaro, so I wasn't really focused on this because I had another ride. But when I started to take a look into it, I contacted the place that I got the motor from. They didn't want to do anything with the motor because the motor has a 6-month warranty on it, and it's been about a year. And I still had, you know, my receipt and everything. It was telling the guy that basically this motor had a misfire ever since it got put in. So, you know, since day one it was put in, started, had a misfire. So did a whole tune-up, new coil pack, fuel injectors, plug wires and everything. Put 2 new fuel injectors in there, I believe. And it still got this rough idle. So I did some Seafoam. I put maybe 2 ounces in the tank, and then the rest of it in here. It's 3.5 liter motor, but I usually put about 5 quarts of oil in there. So I put roughly 13, 14 fluid ounces of Seafoam in there, and basically trying to see what it's gonna do. So my check engine light on. It's reading a random cylinder misfire. And again, it's been doing this since sometime 2017 when I got the motor put in. No, 2018. Yeah, I bled it out, so there's no coolant in there. So let me go ahead and cut it off. Don't want it to overheat. But yeah, just put the Seafoam in there, trying to see if it's gonna do anything. And I guess if it does do anything, I'll make a video as an update.